Hi, this is Mary at Mini Album Scraps, and I'm gonna show today what I received from Christine Harris for the Cats to Meow, which is our term for Member of the Month. So this is my first package. I had to wait until I was gonna be home to video it. Isn't it pretty? Look at all those goodies. All right, I'm excited. I made my coffee, got my coffee here to take a sip while oh, did you make this card? That is cute. Look at that. She did all the pop dots. That is really cute. And she hopes I have lots of fun for my month. Cute little clip. Everything's wrapped so cute. I can reuse all these bags. Oh, pretty. Pink and teal, two of my favorite colors. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. I haven't seen these. Those are pretty. Look at all those pretty roses. That's really pretty. Thank you, Christine. Wow, all those pretty colors. Purple, or kind of a lavender, I guess. A dark pink and a light pink. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, there's so much in here. I don't have this. Thank you. Julia made me the cutest tag with the stamp, and I just love it. I don't have this stamp, and I love steampunk and kind of romance, and I love dress forms, and maybe that's just a dress form, but it could be made out of steampunk too, right? But I love it, love it, love it. Thank you. Thank you, Christine. I think you talked to Julia on this. Oh my gosh. Look at all these trims. This way. Oh my gosh, look. This is exactly what I wanted. Just little dainty little trims. And look at, she's got them all on chipboard, little purses. Those are so cute. I'm gonna steal that idea. There's that one. I don't know what you call this braid here. I know what it's called, but I don't. If I hear it, I know it. But I like that, putting on the edge of a mini album, because it's really nice. It just covers up that seam between your spine and the rest of your book. And I like using them on other things too. Thank you, Christine. Oh my gosh. Everything is just so cute. Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh. Thank you. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Christine. I'm gonna hang this in my room. That is so pretty. I want to make it so you guys can see it hang, but oh, thank you. Pretty bag. Oh, these are my drinks. Oh my gosh, you made these, Christine? They are so pretty. Okay, you guys, Christine crochets. That's kind of a lost art around my friends anyway. And I like to make drinks and shake them up in, you know, a quart jar, but they are wet. So I asked her if she could make me some of these, and I was going to buy them from her. I just wanted her to make me some. And she made me these. They are, oh my gosh, these are more pretty, way more pretty than the ones I saw online. Oh, these are great, and they're so pretty. I'm gonna have fancy drinks now. Thank you. Oh my gosh, thank you, Christine. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Gosh, you guys see the rest of my house. Look at this. Oh, oh my gosh. Christine, this is, I don't know how to explain it. Beautiful. Oh my God, there's so much work. Look at this. Little boxes and a spool and books, or no, that's a material on spools. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Knitting. Make it so you can see it all. There. Oh my gosh, Christine, this is absolutely gorgeous. I don't know what to say, because look, feet and everything. It is, I love, love, love it. Love it. I can't believe this little yellow vest, jacket, whatever, camisole. This is so cute. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh gosh. Like I said, I just love dress forms, and this is just too cute. So much work. That will be on display. It's funny because I sent all Christina's packages. These I used to send her packages in, so she sent me them back. I had fun doing these with the napkins and the Mod Podge. Oh, thank you. I don't have any of this. Very pretty. I've seen it. Soups. I changed my camera view. There. Tim Holtz trimmings. Those are pretty. Oh my gosh, I saw it on the bottom. Those look like little wood pieces. Oh, it says wooden dots, duh, Mary. Those are so cute. And I bet you could alcohol ink them or color them any color you wanted. Those are nice. Oh my gosh, Christine, you got me so much. I'm in love with this dress form. I'm just gonna look at it all day. She made a mini album, and I fell in love with the paper. And I asked her where she got it. And she said Hobby Lobby. Well, I don't even live like anywhere near a Hobby Lobby. Like Sacramento's like 50 miles. And this is what she made made it out of. And I thought this paper was just so pretty. It looks like distressed woods all through it. And I just saw a few pieces. I love this. You know what? I mean, I was thinking of mini albums like you did, Christine, but I always struggle with the background for my Prima dolls. You know, something that doesn't take away from the doll. And these would be perfect for that. Perfect for any tags. Mini albums, cards. beautiful. Thank you so much. This is something I really wanted and that I had no way to get unless I ordered it online and paid a fortune for shipping. But she got it for me. Christine, I am like, I don't know what to say. I love everything, and I know you went to a lot of work and a lot of time and expense too doing this for me, and it really wasn't necessary, but I really like everything too, and I really like the things that you made me. These come to mind right away. Just thank you so much. I will cherish these forever. Just to know that you put all that time into them. Thank you so much. All right, ladies. Thank you for watching. This is Mary at ManyAlbumScraps.ning.com.